Do you feel like dental cleanings are unavoidable? What if I told you there's a smarter way to maintain perfect oral health without frequent cleanings? In this video, we'll uncover the truth about dental cleanings and share practical tips for keeping your teeth and gums healthy at home. Don't miss the free oral care checklist at the end. Before diving into the solution, let's explore why dental cleanings are often recommended and whether they're always necessary. Plaque is not just leftover food. It's a bacterial infection caused by Streptococcus mutans. These bacteria feed on sugar and produce sticky pads that cling to your teeth, leading to plaque buildup. But here's something you may not know. Plaque doesn't have to be your enemy. With proper care, you can promote a healthy biofilm, a protective layer formed by good bacteria that shields your teeth from decay and sensitivity. Here's how it works. Streptococcus mutans thrive on sugary foods. When these bacteria digest sugar, they release acids that erode enamel and form plaque. Over time, this leads to cavities and gum problems. However, the good news is that by maintaining a healthy biofilm, you can keep harmful bacteria in check. This biofilm acts as a natural barrier, protecting your teeth and gums while supporting enamel regeneration. Want to know how to build a strong biofilm? Stick around for practical tips coming up next. Plaque can form quickly, but the good news is that you can control it with simple habits. One of the most effective weapons against plaque, xylitol, a natural sugar that prevents harmful bacteria from sticking to your teeth. Here's how it works. Xylitol disrupts the ability of Streptococcus mutans to produce sticky pads, reducing plaque buildup significantly. By chewing xylitol gum after meals, using xylitol-based toothpaste, and flossing daily, you can take charge of your oral health and maintain a healthy biofilm. Have you ever tried xylitol products? If not, this could be the game changer for your dental routine. Stay tuned because we've got a free oral care checklist waiting for you at the end of the video. With regular xylitol use and proper brushing, harmful bacteria diminish, and a protective biofilm develops over your teeth. This biofilm acts as a shield, preventing plaque buildup and protecting your teeth from sensitivity. What does this mean for you? No plaque, no cavities, and fewer visits to the dentist for cleanings. Here's the takeaway. Healthy teeth don't just rely on dental visits. They start with daily habits that promote oral health. Make xylitol your ally and let your natural biofilm do its job. Did you know that your diet can directly impact your oral health? The foods you eat either promote plaque buildup or strengthen your teeth and gums. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in calcium, fortifying enamel and protecting against decay. Meanwhile, crunchy fruits and vegetables such as apples and carrots act as natural toothbrushes, cleaning your teeth while you chew. On the flip side, sugary and acidic foods create a breeding ground for harmful bacteria. Soda, candy, and even citrus fruits can erode enamel and encourage cavities. Here's a quick tip. Chew slowly and thoroughly to stimulate saliva production, a natural way to neutralize acids and wash away food particles. Plus, I'll share a delicious green smoothie recipe at the end of this video. Your diet plays a critical role in oral health. Certain foods strengthen your teeth, protect your gums, and even help prevent plaque buildup. Let's explore the top natural foods for a healthy smile. First up, leafy greens like spinach and kale. Packed with calcium and folic acid, they strengthen enamel and support gum health. Next, crunchy fruits and vegetables, such as apples and carrots, act like natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away plaque as you chew. Don't forget about probiotics like yogurt or kimchi. These foods maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your mouth, reducing harmful bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. Now that you know which foods protect your teeth, let's explore daily habits that reinforce these benefits and keep your smile shining bright. Simple habits like brushing correctly, flossing daily, and using fluoride-free toothpaste can make a huge difference. Plus, drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps wash away food particles and bacteria. And here's a surprising tip. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can stimulate saliva, your body's natural defense against plaque. Visiting the dentist regularly is often seen as the cornerstone of oral health. But did you know that proper daily care might reduce the need for frequent dental visits? If you brush, floss, and use xylitol consistently, plaque can't form, and a healthy biofilm develops on your teeth. This protective layer prevents enamel erosion and makes your teeth less sensitive, reducing the need for professional cleanings. It's not about skipping dental visits altogether, but minimizing unnecessary procedures by taking control of your oral care routine. Today, we've uncovered the hidden truth about dental cleanings, the role of plaque and biofilm, and the foods and habits that protect your teeth. Remember, healthy teeth start with consistent care at home, not just visits to the dentist. Incorporate xylitol, maintain a balanced diet, and practice proper oral hygiene to keep your smile bright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as promised, download your free oral care checklist in the description below. It's time to take charge of your oral health.